You look good, though.
You only speak Patois?
No, nah, what's good, though? What's up? Tom. Tom. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy DeAndreDingo here, back with another video, man. So as y'all know, I've done this before. I've been going on here and use my Jamaican accent, right? I'm gonna just go on there and talk to anybody with my accent and basically try to get like a good reaction out of them, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, turn on that post notification for your boy, like up this video, and make sure you watch the whole video. Yo.
What's up, Madagascar?
Anything over here? Salute Madagascar to you, man.
Yes, you like the lion. Your hair remind me of the lion from Madagascar. It look good, though.
Stonks. I'm not trying to be rude. So. I will name Destiny. I say I will name Destiny.
Me?
Why go on Destiny? I tell them, my girl. Yo, you name Brooklyn?
You said what?
You name Brooklyn? I'm gonna see you at work now. Where you at work for? Got your bed.
What?
Got your bed. At time, I want to talk, my boy. At some time now? Oh, me.
Say what?
No, me just say at some time. Me wonder why you ask for.
Huh?
Me then I wonder why you ask so.
Oh.
Where you name Brooklyn?
Yeah.
You live in New York?
Yeah.
I lie. Which part of New York you live?
Are you Jamaican?
Yeah.
I can tell. I do not understand what you're saying.
So which part of New York you come from?
You said New York?
Yeah, which part of New York you come from?
She from Brooklyn, I'm from Detroit.
But you just say you live... Alright, well, you live in Brooklyn right now. You live in New York right now, right?
Yeah.
So which part of New York you live?
She live in Brooklyn, I live in Detroit.
But my girl, you just say New York you live, you idiot. Me know something, yo. Yo.
My boy.
Yo, what going on? Everything good?
Yeah.
And y'all live life.
You come from Wakanda.
Jamaica, I come from, you idiot. Me look African. Me look African. Yo, what going on, you?
What?
I said, what going on, you idiot? You know, understand what I just said?
Nah, bro, I don't understand what you're saying, bro.
You don't understand? Yo, a perfect English me talking. Damn, you're pretty.
Thank you.
Yes, baby. Yo, I had time let me talk to you, girl, cause...
You said what?
I said, I had time let me talk to you, man.
Where are you from?
Jamaica, I come from.
I see. How old are you?
I'm 20.
You're 20. Oh, that's what's up. I'm foreign too. You just can't tell because I don't have an accent like you.
So where you live?
California.
Lord, California, me want come.
I'm really trying to understand what he's saying, bro.
Yeah.
You want to come to California?
California, me want come, yeah, man.
Okay.
In New York, me live.
You said what?
Me live in New York.
You live in New York?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way up on the other side of the earth.
Okay. Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah. So where you coming from? Cause you have on makeup and all type of things.
Oh, I'm a model.
Oh, you a model? Nice. Well, go on, girl. Yeah, man. She a model. Yeah, but then I ask her for model for me now, but that's a little bit too much. For some of y'all don't know, I was actually born in Jamaica. Lived there for the first 9 years of my life. And then I moved to America, honestly. And then I've been living here for like 11 years. Yo, all kind of thing when I go on over there, sir. All kind of thing when I go on over there, sir.
At a time. What you wash your hair with?
Eh?
What you wash your hair with?
I just start wash my hair with Cantu.
You just start washing his hair with Cantu. Where you from? Oh, do it Cantu. Cantu don't work for me.
Jamaica, I come from.
Are you prima nature? Jamaican friend.
Where him there?
Huh?
Where him there?
I don't know what you said.
Mr. Where him there? Where your friend there?
What's his name?
No, Mr. Where him there? Where him there?
No, not there, just about here.
You don't know what that mean?
No.
Mr. Where him there? Meaning where is he or she?
Oh, he at home. Okay, teaching us some little Jamaican. He was teaching me at school. He was trying to teach me at school.
You know, so hold on. You know what Wagwan mean?
I think so.
Tell me what you mean. Tell me what you think before time run out. Tell me, my girl, before time run out now. Yo, you're cuff. Yo, Wagwan, girl. Everything good?
Yep, what's good with you?
Nothing. At time, let me talk to you, man.
What finna do?
Just like a talk, what you mean?
Okay.
Where you come from?
California.
You come from back of bush. Alright.
I said California.
Yeah, so you come from back of bush. Cause California a grass place and things, eh? Country place, so back of bush you come from. Yeah, you not even understand what I mean, but it's alright.
I like you. You're kinda high right now, but I like you.
Yeah, man, you like me, so me add you back into my girl.
Alright.
I like your nose ring too, you know.
Thank you.
Oh, you have two?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the middle of the night. Take off the bucket hat.
Huh?
It's the middle of the night. Take off the bucket hat.
No, I don't want to.
What do you mean you don't have to take it off?
You're kind of scaring me and I'm high.
That no mean... What me do?
Bro, what that star mean?
Wagwan King. Everything good. What you say?
Yes, sir. What that star mean though?
Yo, the star mean me verify. Zane, put some respect on my name.
What?
Yeah, put some respect on my name. Mean me verify. Ninja, Wagwan.
I'm not ninja. I wash on my face, but I got the body.
You got the body? Yo, dog, let me see body, dog. Let me see. Show me the scully. Blood clot. That a sin. That a sin. You need to call your barber and tell him to put back your hair on your head. Girl, you look good. Girl, you pretty. At time, let me talk to you. Hey, boy, move out of the camera. I'm not talk to you. I talk to she. At time. Yo, at time, the girl. Don't do me so. Don't do me so. Yes, lad. Yeah. Yo, look, boy. You know, you have to come out of the camera. Alright. Yo, is that your little brother? That's your little brother?
No, not
Yo, ease up, my you. Me, I try to talk to that.
I'm little sister, actually.
Yo, stop clap. Yo, move the dogs. Me, I try to talk to the girl, man. Move.
I am the girl.
Hey, boy, me not talk to you no more. Yo, baby. You look nice in a girl. Yo,
I love this. Speak more.
I want to tell you something, you know. Just add me upon the snaps, eh? Yeah, you look good, yo.
Just add him back.
Add me back. Yes, lad. Wait, hold on. So you not talk? What going over here, sir?
Huh?
Oh, so you can't speak?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're quiet like me. I wonder what going on, see? Everything good?
Is this a real accent?
So what you think me I do? Fake it?
Yeah.
No.
Nice.
Me not fake nothing. This real. I real me this. My girl don't try to disrespect me, so what you mean?
Oh my god, you're
Yo, you're supposed to talk to me, you know. Forget the little brother right now.
I know, bro.
Hey boy, tap your nice. Nobody not talk to you, my youth. Anyways, see, I got add me upon the snap. You know, answer me yet, you know.
Wait.
Yo, just like a boy, just all up in that camera, dogs. Move. Yo, do you name John Cena? Where him there? I can't see him.
Where did you come from?
What you mean, number club? What mean? Yeah, what happened? It's a John Cena. I'm not seeing him.
Wait,
Wait, so you really from Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica me come from. What happened?
Hey, what going to you?
Wagwan, my Jenna.
Hey.
Everything good?
That's all I know, G. I'm sorry.
What?
That's all he knows.
That's all I know. I only know Wagwan.
You only know Wagwan? My head had a disgrace that dogs. Jesus Christ.
You trying to teach me a little something, Daddy?
Hey, yo, why for the daddy you?
So you know you burn things, don't you? Burn me.
Yo, we're not in a that. See, don't can't. Yo,
Black nigga, man.
yo.
8-pack.
What?
Shut up.
Hey boy, when you am shit in a boy. How old is someone I think him talk?
That gay shit, bro. The fuck you want, nigga?
What kind of gay shit? Yo, are you a call me daddy? You gay? Yeah, fish, yeah, batty man. Go ahead. Hey boy, your name shit dirty boy. The money I love money now. Me nah nothing against gay people. Don't come for me.
And they just sleep.
Yo, Wagwan dogs.
You got a helmet here, nigga.
What?
What? Where is your neck at? You got all chin, no neck. That nigga's.
I know to look how batty gonna try come as. Ashley, Wagwan beautiful.
You're scary.
Homie scary. At time, you know, say, I'm give you a compliment, me say, you look beautiful, and not even say thank you. But you know what? Because I'm shit dirty girl. Hello.
DeAndre, I don't know what your name is.
Wagwan.
How you say your name?
Wagwan girl, DeAndre.
Oh, DeAndre. Well, you got an accent.
Yo, at time, let me talk to you, girl. At time, the man. Think say I could do me, sir. Zane? Yo. Wanna dip on tonight? Eh? Yeah, my girl, Nosing. Talk to me.
Hi.
What kind of thing you dip on tonight?
What me say?
I think say conversation I go good. Cause them know say them like the accent, but I don't know what I'm act like that. Yo, Wagwan.
Yeah?
How you
say your? How you say your?
Yo, at time let me talk to you, na girl. Yeah, ask her for. Girl, I'm a musa bougie. Yo, Wagwan, my girl, everything good, yo. At time let me talk to you.
You ugly as hell.
That no matter, you know me nothing. At time now, you see how you call me ugly and you not even show your big face ugly self. Look, I was thinking, girl. Yo, Wagwan.
What happened to them?
Everything good.
Everything good.
Yeah, man, yo, live your best life. You hear me, I tell you?
Yeah, live your best life. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, girl, yo, stop trying that shit, man. Yo, Wagwan.
Yeah.
You there? Yeah, live.
How you just automatically knew I was Jamaican? Like, everybody's spot.
No, none of that. Me can't tell the way you said there. Me know. Oh, she thinks somebody didn't know, so she Jamaican just from when me talk. Yo, baby. Yo, odd time, let me talk to you, girl.
What?
You know, you must say, odd time, let me talk to you.
So talk.
You hear me, I talk you. First of all, turn down the music, my girl. You couldn't just do me one little favor? Yo, Wagwan.
Bitch.
Oh, what the fuck? What you mean, bitch? Who you call bitch? Hey, boy, who you chat to? Can't me I talk to dogs. I can't me. You see them look up? Them gay boy, they respectful, you know?
Hey.
Wagwan. First of all, why not so close to the camera? Back up a little bit, man. Jesus, give me some breathing room. Oh, God. Me tell you for odd time. Me tell you for odd time.
You like it? What'd you say?
Me tell you for odd time. What you odd time for?
Cause we wanna talk.
What if me don't want to talk to you?
We want to talk.
What if me don't want to talk to you? Yo.
You're cute.
Well, thank you very much, you know. Me probably call you cute if you show yourself.
Huh?
Me probably can give you a compliment if you show yourself.
Oh.
Yeah, you look good, girl. Yeah, man. Yo, Wagwan. You can hear what I say?
What?
You hear what I say? You deaf? What you said, Jackie? Yo, while go on, everything good?
What?
You can't hear what me say?
What?
You can't hear what me say?
No, he must be Jamaican. Okay.
No, we're from Trinidad. While go on, look up. Yo.
Can you rate me?
Rate you? No, y'all look up Pitney, my girl. We are talking about going rate you.
What?
What?
Can you rate me?
No, me can't rate you.
Why?
No. Hey, yo, that model looked like she was feeling me, bro. I should have added her, bro. Fuck. Yo,
You're hella bad.
Are your man that? Are your man that? Yo, my girl, are your man that?
You bad as fuck.
You shut your mouth. Y'all go like, I don't know what the hell she thought, bro. Yo, Blair. Ooh, light skin. Wagwan.
What the fuck am I doing with that?
Yo, my girl, are you me I talk that sometimes? Yes, Lord.
Huh?
What's up? I said, what's up? Wagwan. Yeah, live your life. Yeah, eat yogurt. What that be?
That's yogurt. That's cum.
Me know, man. How that you like? Yeah, man.
What you saying?
You know, understand what I just say?
I'm gonna read them, man.
I'm gonna put it this way. For you. I understand, and I know that that's what you like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you understand me now? She don't wanna go down. I want you roll down like that. Oh, Springfield. Yo, Wagwan, my girl. Wagwan, yo. At time, cause you girl over here say look good enough. Nose ring. Yes, Lord. I want to talk to you cause that girl look young.
Yes, Jamaican.
What you just do? Me know say no try me make that.
I'm not Jamaican.
Me know, me can't tell. Cause that was horrible. Me not gonna lie. That ain't terrible. The one that ain't bad. Yeah. Hold on. Try it again. One more chance.
I'm not Jamaican. I'm based in behavior.
It don't matter. Try again. Alright, hold on. Let me tell you something for a sec. Hold on, yeah. Let me tell you something. Say Wagwan.
Wait, Wagwan. Okay, look, I'm sorry.
Why you say Wagwan, sir? You say it like a robot. Wagwan. What the hell? What that? You look good, You look good, though.
You only speak Patois?
No. Nah, what's good, though? What's up? Hey, Tom, let me talk to you.
I know he didn't.
Nah, I'm chilling. You feel me?
Okay, switch it back on.
What do you mean?
Switch it back on.
What, my accent? You want me to talk like this? Alright, so I put in a New York feel. Alright, what's good, y'all? So, what's up?
Where you from? What? He said he's from New York. Oh, I didn't hear him.
Nah, I'm not from New York. I live in New York. I'm from Jamaica.
Okay, what part of New York you live in?
Queens. Yo, Wagwan.
Hello.
Wrong with you, my girl? Relax yourself, no man. Suckle yourself. Well, yeah. Why you laughing? What's so funny?
Wagwan. You're in.
Ooh, Wagwan light skin.
That's fine.
What? Don't ever. What you say?
Hey, Wagwan.
Good luck. Good try.